Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for all things home and garden. Today, we're diving into the world of garden outdoor living spaces and tips to create a beautiful and inviting outdoor living retreat. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. These spaces are more than just places to grow plants. They're extensions of your home, offering a serene and inviting retreat. Let's explore what they mean, their benefits, and how to create your own stunning outdoor oasis. A garden outdoor living space is a designated area in your outdoor space designed for relaxation, entertainment, and enjoyment. It can be as simple as a small patio with a few chairs or as elaborate as a complete outdoor kitchen and dining area. The key is to create a space that reflects your personal style and invites you to spend time outdoors. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, a well-designed garden outdoor living space offers a multitude of benefits that can enhance your overall quality of life. Let's explore some of the key advantages of creating this inviting outdoor retreat. Here are some of the benefits of having a garden outdoor living space. First, stress reduction. Spending time in nature has been proven to reduce stress and improve mental well-being. Second, increased vitamin D. Sunlight exposure helps your body produce vitamin D, essential for bone health and immune function. Third, enhanced quality of life. A beautiful outdoor living space can significantly improve your quality of life and create a sense of tranquility. Fourth, entertaining opportunities. Outdoor living spaces are perfect for hosting friends and family, creating lasting memories. Fifth, increased property value. A well-maintained outdoor living space can increase the value of your home. To create a functional and inviting outdoor living space, it's essential to equip it with the right elements. Here are some must-have items that will elevate your outdoor oasis. 1. Comfortable seating. Choose durable and comfortable seating options, such as outdoor sofas, chairs, or hammocks. 2. Outdoor dining table. A dining table allows you to enjoy meals outdoors and entertain guests. 3. Outdoor grill or kitchen. An outdoor grill or kitchen adds functionality and convenience to your outdoor space. 4. Outdoor lighting. Create ambience and safety with various lighting options, including string lights, lanterns, and solar-powered lights. 5. Outdoor fire pit or fireplace. A fire pit or fireplace provides warmth, atmosphere, and a gathering spot. 6. Outdoor rugs. Add color, texture, and comfort to your outdoor space with durable outdoor rugs. 7. Outdoor plants and flowers. Incorporate plants and flowers to enhance the beauty and natural feel of your space. 8. Outdoor water features. A fountain, pond, or waterfall can add a soothing element and attract wildlife. 9. Outdoor storage. Keep your outdoor space organized with storage solutions like cabinets, bins, or sheds. 10. Outdoor accessories. Personalize your space with accessories such as pillows, throws, and artwork. Now that you have a solid foundation for your garden outdoor living space, let's dive into the exciting part, the decoration. With a little creativity and attention to detail, you can transform your space into a beautiful and inviting oasis. Here are some of the tips for how to decorate your garden outdoor living space. First, define your style. Determine the overall style you want to achieve, whether it's modern, rustic, bohemian, or a mix of styles. Second, create a focal point. Choose a focal point, such as a stunning piece of furniture, a unique sculpture, or a beautiful water feature. Third, use color wisely. Select colors that complement your home's exterior and create a cohesive look. Fourth, incorporate texture. Add texture and interest with various materials like wood, stone, metal, and textiles. Fifth, consider lighting. Choose lighting that creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, especially for evening gatherings. Sixth, add greenery. Incorporate plants and flowers that thrive in your climate and complement your style. Seventh, accessorize with care. Choose accessories that reflect your personality and enhance the overall aesthetic. And to complete your inspiration after you have a solid understanding of the basics, let's explore some inspiring design ideas to help you create your dream garden outdoor living space. From tranquil zen gardens to bohemian retreats, These ideas will spark your creativity and help you envision the perfect outdoor oasis. 1. Zen Garden. Create a tranquil oasis with clean lines, minimalist elements, and natural materials like rocks, sand, and gravel. Incorporate a small water feature for added serenity. 2. Mediterranean Oasis. Transport yourself to the sunny shores of the Mediterranean with terracotta pots, colorful flowers, and comfortable outdoor seating. Consider adding a clay oven for authentic Mediterranean cuisine. 3. Tropical Paradise. Embrace the lushness of the tropics with vibrant plants, exotic flowers, and a bamboo-inspired theme. A hammock or swing is the perfect addition for relaxation. 4. Rustic Retreat. Create a cozy and inviting atmosphere with natural materials like wood, stone, and wicker. Incorporate a fire pit or outdoor fireplace for warmth and ambience. 5. Modern Minimalism. Keep it clean and contemporary with sleek furniture, geometric shapes, and neutral colors. A minimalist water feature or a modern sculpture can add a focal point. 6. Bohemian Chic. Embrace eclecticism with a mix of patterns, textures, and colors. Incorporate bohemian-inspired elements like macrame, rugs, and lanterns. 7. Secret Garden. Create a hidden retreat with climbing plants, trellises, and winding paths. A small fountain or bird bath can add a touch of magic. 8. Outdoor Kitchen and Dining Area. Combine culinary and entertaining elements with a fully equipped outdoor kitchen and dining area, perfect for hosting friends and family. 9. Outdoor Home Theater. Enjoy movies under the stars with an outdoor home theater. Set up a projector, screen, and comfortable seating for a cinematic experience. 10. Vertical Garden. Maximize space and add greenery with a vertical garden. Use planters, hanging baskets, or living walls to create a lush and vibrant display. Creating a garden outdoor living space is a rewarding project that can transform your outdoor area into a beautiful and functional retreat. By following these tips and incorporating your personal style, you can create a space that you'll love spending time in for years to come. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the process. Happy designing! Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.